In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add SharePoint in Microsoft Teams. In order to do that, first head over to Microsoft 365 and locate SharePoint under their products. This is only available for organizations and not available for personal use. So from in there, proceed to click onto this sign in option right here. Once you have successfully signed in, you should be able to find its app on the actual Copilot. So in order to add your SharePoint to a page, list, or document library as a tab in your MS Teams, I have in here this help article that can help us. For SharePoint pages, it helps you share information or ideas, such as a list for collaboration and document libraries to secure store files. So to add a page from your team site as a tab in Teams, what you can do is you just need to head over to the actual Teams and click on the General. Click on Add a tab option from there, and in here just choose the apps, which is SharePoint. So click on SharePoint right here, and after that, you can proceed to actually head over and then click on it. And from this, just choose the page, or it can be list or document library from there. You can also choose concerts of marketing or any SharePoint site that you have. So just choose right here which one you want added, and after that, click on Save. From in there, you can select Post to Channel About This tab checkbox to automatically generate and post an announcement in the Teams, letting you know that this tab has been added. It's also having the same mechanisms for this. So proceed to add this team site as a tab in Teams. So for this, just click on this Add a tab, and it's actually the same method as adding a page. So just do take note of that as well. So that's all there is today. I hope this video successfully helped you out.